Well, earlier this year, International Criminal Court, that is ICC, straight from The Hague, said they would take Kony's case, the confirmation of cases against him, in his absence. So let's take a review at what happened earlier.
The International Criminal Court is seeking to notify Mr. Joseph Kony of the charges against him before deciding on the prosecutor's request to start a pre-trial confirmation of charges hearing in his absence. Mr. Kony is suspected of 36 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity, allegedly committed between the 1st of July 2002 until the 31st of December 2005 in northern Uganda. A confirmation of charges hearing is not a trial. It is a preliminary hearing to check if the prosecutor's evidence justifies to move the case to a trial phase. If a confirmation of charges hearing is decided, Mr. Kony will be appointed a legal representation to ensure the fairness of the proceedings. Victims authorized to participate in this case at this pre-trial stage are represented by a lawyer according to the modalities decided by the ICC judges.
Well, the International Criminal Court has released a statement via their official media letter. Is a press release which they clearly stated something which is very, very instrumental, shifting on the case of Kony case pre-trial chamber 3 to hold the confirmation of charges hearing in absentia. So, in the absence of Joseph Kony, as earlier stated, is what ICC is confirming. Now, let me take you through the details. Pre-trial chamber 3 of the International Criminal Court, ICC court, issued a decision concluding that all the requirements to hold a confirmation of charges hearing in the absence of the suspect, Joseph Kony, are now met. The hearing will be held at a date to be announced at a later stage. So, the requirements, they are talking about the requirements. The requirements have all been met. So, let's get deeper. The chamber, composed of judges, has here Violet Alexis Winsor, presiding judge, Lulia Antonella Mottage, and Heikel Ben Mafford, found that Mr. Kony is a person who cannot be found within the meaning of Article 61(2)(b) of the ICC Rome Statute. Number 2, all reasonable steps to secure his appearance and to inform him of the charges and the date of the confirmation of charges hearing, initially scheduled for 15th October 2024, have been taken. And number 3, there is cause to hold the confirmation of charges hearing in absentia. There is cause to hold the confirmation of charges against him in his absentia. So, as regards the requirements to notify Mr. Kony of the date of the hearing, the chamber noted the large-scale media campaigns conducted both in Uganda and neighboring countries. Also, in the Acholi language, the activities carried out by the ICC registry in the field with relevant stakeholders and the communities in the northern Uganda, and the registry's dialogue with inter-alia religious and cultural leaders, as well as civil society victim groups and local government leaders. Once a new date for the confirmation of charges hearing has been set, the registry shall complete the notification and outreach activities of the same nature, variety and range as the ones carried out in respect of the initial date for the confirmation of charges hearing within 30 days. The purpose of the confirmation of charges hearing is to determine whether there is sufficient evidence to establish substantial grounds to believe that the person committed each of the crimes charged. The Rome Statute allows for the confirmation of charges proceedings at the pre-trial stage in the absence of the suspect. Under specific conditions, If the charges are confirmed, the case can only proceed to trial if the accused is present before the trial chamber. So I think this condition will again prompt more search for coin, more hunt for coin. We know there is a $5 million tag if you get coin, but I think after this, the Rome Statues, for it to continue after the confirmation of charges, it needs coin to be in present, need coins to be available. So this is not something, it's a difficult time for ICC, and it's a test of capability, and also a test of military powers of different countries around the world. Decision on the criteria for holding confirmation of charges procedures in absentia. The background. The warrant of arrest for Joseph Kony was issued under seal on 8th July 2005, amended on 27 September 2005, and unsealed on 13 October 2005. He is suspected of 12 counts of crimes against humanity, murder, enslavement, sexual enslavement, rape, inhuman acts of inflicting serious bodily injury and suffering, and 21 counts of war crimes, murder, cruel treatment of civilian, intentionally directing an attack against a civilian population, pillaging, inducing rape, and forced enlistment of children, allegedly committed in 2003 and 2004 in northern Uganda. On September the 12th of 2024, Trial Chamber 3 decided to postpone the commencement of the confirmation hearing in the case of the prosecutor V. Joseph Kony, initially scheduled for 15 October 2024, following the defense, prosecution, and Office of the Public Counsel for Victims' Observations. So, this is it. This is the latest development about Joseph Kony. We are keeping our eye close because this is a serious matter. It is a matter of Acholi. It touches Acholi so deep, and anything that comes about Acholi, we will come running for it. Thank you so much.